Let's talk about CapCut Desktop. So, if you don't know, CapCut is a video editor and a software that you can use to edit videos and even generate them. So, let's dive into how is it beneficial for you as creators. In CapCut, you can create and edit videos and use templates. So, if you open the desktop after you download, here you need to log into your account. So after you log in, you'll either have a free trial to join the Pro or you can join the Pro for these features right here. Now, for joining the Pro, you get the free use of all paid assets, unlock and edit all templates, access across desktop, mobile, and web, and it even has a 1 TB space storage and a 1600 monthly credits for using AI. So, for the plan, it offers you around on the first month, you get an 80% off on Pro for the first month. And you can use a gift card or a code if you have one. As you can see, the prices here may vary depending for US creators and may be also expensive. But if you get 80% off on your first month, then it's actually worth it. Now let's see what these features are. So for AI features, you can use it to convert long videos to shorts. You can use AI video generators. You can use an AI image generator, the video translator, AI dialogue scene, AI fashion model, the AI text to speech, enhanced quality, and auto cutout. So how do you use these features? Either you can start the AI designing right here, or you can just create with AI directly. So it offers you prompts here that you can enter in order to create design. Now, as you can see, Canva is not just and CapCut is not just a video editor. It actually is a video editor and an image editor. You can use it to create image and content as well. As you can see a lot of graphic designs right here. If you go to the AI design on the left side, you can enter your prompts and ideas in order to generate all your graphic designing. You can even use it for marketing. It offers you marketing tools that you can integrate, and it has the integration of Pipet AI that you can use to generate and use it for creative and marketing tool. However, for AI design, it's also Nano Banana Pro, or also known as Gemini's AI model. Now let's dive into video editing. So how does video editing in Canva work? So first, you need to go and create a project. And after you create a project, you'll be redirected to this home dashboard right here. Now from here, you can import or edit and add videos, images, and even audio files. Or you can just generate them if you don't have them. You can also record here directly if you have a camera or a setup in order to record videos. Now, you want to import videos and drag them right here. Go ahead and import the videos, and then you can now drag and edit this. To use this, you can just drag this directly to the bottom and then simply just add some effects. Depending on what your edit is, will be what your video will. So if you know how to do video editing, then simply you know how to use Canva and CapCut. So as you can see right here, you'll see buttons like the audio, the text, and stickers. So if you know how to video edit it, you can add audios for background music or sound effects or B-rolls. As you can see right here, I just drag this to the bottom after I click this plus button. Then I simply display it and hear the background music. Now as you can see, I am now hearing the background music, although my audio doesn't show it, it's actually playing the video. Now you can also add text and even have effects to them. So as you can see, you can just easily drag the text right here and just edit it on the right side panel from here. Now you can see I can customize this depending on the font. I can change and download fonts that I don't have. And if you have the premium one, you can download more useful and more commercialized fonts and usable. You can see right here. You can simply just choose that font and then type the text you want. Let's say for example, I want to say hey everyone and a caption and a title. Simply just try to change the font size, use a pattern, set it to bold or add an underline or view italic. Then simply just make it casing, uppercase, or little, depending on your design. You can also change the color of the text, as you can see right here, and customize the length and the width of the characters and the lines for each comments and text. They also have preset styles that you can use directly if you don't know how to do the design one. Then you can also scale the design right here and also have a uniform scaling and even have plane rotations if you don't know how to edit, and you can now do that. You can even customize the opacity more, add some strokes, add some background, add some glowings, and even customize it further with shadows and curves, depending on your design and however you want it. As you can see, this is now my current design on the text. You can also drag the video if you want to. Now let's get to the complicated part. In order to use Canva or CapCut, you can now use here right here, and you will see this split button. Now what this do is you can basically split the video if you want to cut that part. You click this one, and now as you can see, I can now remove that part. And now it's playing a black screen right here. Then as you can see, I'm now cut this video right here. Now I can also do just delete it directly by cutting. This one deletes the left side, and this one deletes the right side. And this one is the delete button. And this is the marker for whatever you mark the video is on your edit. Now how to use these features is basically simple. You can just see them directly right here. And now you can customize the video directly or the text on the right side panel. As you can see, I can scale the video however I want. I can remove background by simply adding a custom removal or using a chroma key. I can even mask it depending on however and what shape I want. I simply add it. Then I just do some retouching and adjusting. You can even add animations to your videos for fading in and for the outing, like this one. Now it will play an animation in order to create transitions. You can use these animations for free, and if you have the premium plan, you can use all the features, and they have a lot of assets that you can use. And they also offer a lot of features. So as you can see, it's not just video editing, and it's also more on designing. Now, if you add more videos, you can basically create transitions right here in between them. If you go to the transitions right here and see, you'll find all the trending transitions that's been used mostly on TikTok and other platforms like YouTube Reels. You can drag them directly right here and then set the length to however long the transition is, and it will now be playing on your video. As you can see, it played the transitions. Aside from that, you can also add effects. CapCut offers a lot of effects, even blurrings like this. It offers you blurring like this that you can see right here. And now, it now blurred the video. It even has a lot of features like a lot of effects like glowing, glitching, and other cool effects. And if you have the premium one, you can customize to however you want it. And they have a lot of features that you can use, depending on your designing. As you can see, this is just a sample, effect, and it's much more than that. Now they also have offer stickers. So for stickers, you can customize a lot of stickers to however you want right here. You can find all the memes, all the funny stickers that you can use for yourself and even play them on your video. Now, aside from stickers, they also offer filters. So for filters, you can filter the video if you don't like the color grading of your video. Let's say try this one. As you can see, it changed the color grading of that video and it now looks much more colorful and better. You can choose a lot of filters depending on your video, whether it's cinematic or gloomy or dark, and however you want it. And aside from that, you can also add adjustments. You can custom adjustments to your color in order to further more transitionalize and more colorful. You can even add captions here if you don't want to add text directly on individual ones. So you can just add captions and you can even auto lyrics, generate lyrics for your videos. Although this one is limited on 1 times per month, but if you have the premium one, you can use this anytime you want. Now for the pros features, you can see that there are a lot of features here that only available to pro like AI and some templates that's only available to pro features. So it's much more worth it to customize and invest on the pro features. And overall, that's how CapCut works. This is very beneficial for US creators if they don't have any experience in video editing because CapCut is basically the easiest video editor available in the social media. If you like this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.